when I saw the papers, it seemed to me that Bihar government was in the right. They registered an FIR by the victim's family. They live in Patna, and therefore it was rightly registered. As far as Mumbai is concerned, Mumbai is merely investigating the cause of death, which is in legal terms is called inquest. You must have seen movies. So there is an inquest report that only determines what is the cause of death. Death was caused by hanging. They are not investigating any criminality or any criminal antecedents attached to that case or the role of any person which may have prompted that suicide called abetment to suicide. That is not which is being examined by Mumbai police. That is only being examined by Bihar police at the instance of the victim's family. So it is completely wrong for the media or anybody else, including the petitioner, to say that there is a conflict of investigations. There is no conflict. An inquest report investigation is not an investigation into criminality. The criminality investigation is in the FIR of Bihar, which is first registered. So if any other criminality investigation is registered in Mumbai hereafter, that must wait. And when the matter, see now, let me tell you, I frankly believe there is a very unsavory angle to this case. Bihar police has acted very unprofessionally, and the the Mumbai police and Mumbai municipal authorities acting in tandem have acted very, very unfairly. I mean, have you ever heard of an IPS officer going from one state police on legitimate legal work to another state and he's locked up? I mean, you call it a quarantine, but it's locking up of a senior IPS officer. I've never heard of this. And if this is to go on, the federal polity of the state, the coexistence of different states of the union will not function smoothly. I mean, it is a ridiculous proposition for Maharashtra police to say that they are doing a professional job. It is most unprofessional. And equally unprofessional is the stand of the BMC. Who told the BMC to lock up a police officer? I've never heard of this. And now, therefore, at the end of the day, the Bihar government was well advised to solve this unsavory thing and request the CBI to take over. CBI, nobody can raise a finger. It is a political organization, not with one state or the other state. If they take it over, all this chick will come to an end. And the moment the court proceedings started, the Union of India appeared and said they have received our request and have accepted that request. According to me, the case should have ended today. Once it is gone to CBI, then everything is over. Not this police, that police, this investigation, that investigation. They will do whatever they have to do. So they have to take over the FIR by Bihar. There is nothing to take over in the inquest because it is by and large now clear that the chap committed, unfortunately, Mr. Rajput committed suicide. So it's not a case of murder. If it is a case of suicide, then the only thing to be seen is, did somebody abet it or not? And are there any criminalities attached to it, like withdrawal of money, this, that, and the other? All that CBI will examine.